Wonderful people of the diaspora, in the diaspora, welcome back to my new video today. In this video, I'm going to show you how the fence wall lights are being put up, and then also the iron rod welding taking shape into the beam. Stay tuned. Wonderful people of the diaspora, thank you for staying tuned. In this video, you see how the work is going on. The beam is being prepared and put up together. Luckily, across the other side of our street facing us, one of the tall building, a 3-story building are being put up, and we just make a deal with the welder over there, and then a day before, and since the beam work is not going to take much time, they spend 2 hours and then they're putting up the beam together, and I have to buy a couple of few iron rod, 16 inches and 12 inches, and the work is being done. At the same time, since we are incorporating the electrical works and light into the beam, we also plan together with electrical team to be on site, so that they can put up the pipes into the wall before the surprising wall that I'm putting up. I'm not going to say it here. The surprising wall that I'm putting up is going to come on top of it. I'm doing only the rough plastering, and on top of the rough plastering, what I'm putting on the wall, you are going to see it in the next video. This is going to be a little surprise. And if you are stumbling upon this channel for the first time, my name is Raphael. We talk about the diaspora. We talk about the return back home. We talk about how to invest back home and make money, make some cash flow business. The mindset of relocating back to Africa and building. Because of the geopolitics, so many things that happen. When you return back home, you must have something to go back to, and you must have something that's making money for you. The world is becoming much more global today. You don't have to stay in America, to feel like you are American citizen or you are dual citizen. You can be in Ghana, you can be in Spain, and you can be also in Nicaragua at the same time, and then be comfortable. So the world is becoming global with the technology that's being inculcated and the involvement of everything. You must know how to cope with the life of today. And I realize also that many of you who are watching my video, more than 90% are not subscribers. More than 90% are subscribers. Therefore, join the family. It's about us, all of us, educating one another, educating each other, and how to make it back home, how to make an income. And home is home. Home is home. And on my channel, I want to make sure that if you have a low budget, less than $100,000, you can build a very, very beautiful home. where you have all inculcated into it. I mean, even in Accra, it's just the method that you should take, the appropriate method that you should take. It is that those information are not out there, but on this channel you get the secret, you get educated, and you get the nitty-gritty information, and you get the truth also. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my video. Be part of the family if you have not subscribed yet. And for those who are part of the family, we must reach 10,000 subscribers. Let us make it this summer, and let us make it throughout the August, before the beginning of September. While the beam construction is going on, the electricians also are working together, and the welder also on the side. One side, the bottom of the carpentry work is done, and now as it's being put up, the welder also came in, has done his part of the work, and the beam is kind of being crafted together, and it's nice to see how there's a cohesion, there's a collaboration, and there's a working together. The molding and then of the pillars, the masonry work, they're doing the defense wall rough plastering, so that when the bamboo fence wall, I was saying that I'm not going to say it, but finally I have to be able to kind of give you a glimpse of it. On the wall, my intention is to do bamboo. On the wall. In the middle of the pillars, we are going to see beautiful bamboo. The bamboos are being treated right now by an artist carpenter. Is being crafted in the Hebrew area, and it's gonna come. I'm gonna put it on the wall before I leave Ghana. So, wonderful people of the diaspora and in the diaspora, consider to subscribe to this channel. I am part of the diaspora. Are you part of the diaspora? Are you? When are you going to make the next trip to your homeland? The return back, the movement back to Africa. How are your preps going? Your preparation, how are they going? In the face or in view of the geopolitics that is going on, the diaspora must be able to invest back home and make some income back home. Are you preparing your retirement? Have you thought of where you are going to retire? And also making diligent trips back home gives you the hope and perspective of what you want to do for the present and for the future. Remember, Africa, despite the bad governance, despite the challenges, Africa is the next frontier. Africa is the next China when it comes to development. Let me give you some numbers. In this month, I'm going to be coming face to face also for revelations and insightful knowledge concerning what is really at stake for us when it comes to Africans in the diaspora. There is a massive movement back home. investment are going on. Are you coming now or you want to come later? There are already massive investments on the ground. And if you miss the present, you're going to miss tomorrow. What you put up today, what you sow today, is what you are going to reap tomorrow. Meaning that what you are reaping today, or what you are not reaping today, is because of your decision for yesterday. So are you going to make it better today so that you can reap in the future and tomorrow? Think about it. Stay tuned. Enjoy the work. Again, here, my budget for this project for this specific house is $80,000. Even though, there's inflation over here, whenever you bring it down, it pays off. I think that's what it kind of alleviate the balance. And the price has been increased. For example, the cement, Dangote cement in Ghana actually costs 110 Ghana cedi. The regular one, it depends on the location, it costs 85 to Ghana cedi. But the Dangote size, packet size is bigger, and that's what I've been using myself. And I'm doing the POP also, inside the house right now, which I'm going to be showing in my next videos. And the POP cement also cost me 110 per pack. So, but still, the exchange rate exchange rate for the dollars actually is 15.32, but when you bring cash into the country, then you can get a little bit more than that in the black market. One of my big aim that I want to make sure that they are basic. They are very, very basic here. And then especially if you are in Ghana, if you are going to build in Ghana, I'm talking about the 21st century building in Ghana. There are 3 things that you must always inculcate into the house. You must always make sure. You want to come from the West because you want to maintain such basic need, which is water, electricity, and what? And solar. So, because you don't want to depend on the authority Ghana electricity, so you want to have solar backup all the time. Number 2, you want to have water. I am in Ghana right now. The first week when I got over here, the water was cut out. So we have the tank reserve, poly tank reserve. So we gotta buy water, for usage. So that's why I was able to do the borehole. And the other thing that you can incorporate into the house, making sure that everything is okay, so that will also help alleviate the frustration. It is, you must have a car. You must have a car. Renting a car in Ghana will cost you a lot of money. You will spend a lot. So, getting here and there, one point, A to B, you need a car. So these are some of the things that my prep has been always in the pipeline for years. So my family and I, what we do is that we are able to send over a car, and there's a car always available for us in Ghana. So anytime that I come, I'll just renew, on a yearly basis, your insurance and your roadworthy, they call it over here. And then if you have also your foreign driver's license, it can be translated back here, and you get every 2 years, and you go back and you make sure that it's updated. Apart from that, else, sometimes when they stop you, you have a foreign license, foreign driver's license, they disturb you. And I hate, like in my own country, every time that the police stops me, especially from the beginning, I have to be giving money. No. Again, if you are enjoying this channel, my name is Walter, and I'm part of the Diaspora. In this channel, I talk about Diaspora and the report back home, investment in Ghana, the geopolitics, the relevant things pertaining to back to African movement. Also, building, and through this budget, 80,000 budget house, I want to really make sure that you are aware that not all of us will build 250,000 house, 250,000 USD house, 200,000 USD $500,000 US house. No, there's a budget for everyone. Where do you fit? What is your budget? What is your budget? What is your budget? You can be in the West where you are making $40,000 or $50,000, and then you want to build right away your dream house for $500,000. How long is gonna take you? This is not the way to proceed. Something like that, you learn the strategy and the insightful knowledge on this channel. And if you are also not subscribed to my channel yet, this is the time to do so. Help me reach 10,000 in this month. I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider to subscribe to this video, like, and give me your comment what you really like about it. What do you think that I should also inculcate as a basic necessity into the house? Let me know, and let also the viewers also learn from you. Stay tuned and enjoy it until the end. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.